So you want to be a YouTuber, but you don't know what to do. Most of us don't. It's a journey that you go along and you learn as you go along. And there's no one really kind of saying, hey, do this. You're getting lots of advice like you need to have good audio, which you do. You need to have good lighting. You need to be entertaining. You need to be comfortable in front of a camera. You need all these things, but all those things can come as time goes by. Not knowing what to do. Okay, so what do I do? Right? Is one of the most frustrating things. And it's so frustrating that I started this channel to help some of you. Because there's certain things that I know from years of pain, and I want to just give that to you so that you don't have to go through those years of pain as well. Even with my own channels now, I do a lot of things wrong because I want to do things my way. And that probably is one of the biggest things that will stop you from progressing. When you start making videos for YouTube, you basically are like a YouTube employee. And because you're a YouTube employee, you have to do what YouTube wants you to do. You can't just do whatever you want and think everything's going to be wonderful. Unless, I don't know, you're drop dead gorgeous or something and you get lucky, and that happens to lots of people. But even if you get lucky, well, drop dead gorgeous might stay for a while. But let's say you get really lucky and you get a viral hit. And that happens to some people right at the beginning, and then they can never do it again. And they're always living within their own shadow. And you don't want that either. What you're going to need is consistency. You're going to have to be willing to go again and again and again. And you're going to need to change. You're going to need to morph. You're going to need to try all sorts of different things. But to make things easy for you, first you're going to need your first 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. That's what you want. That's how you get monetized. And lots of people really want to get there. And lots of people don't. Most people don't. I've got there 3 times pretty easily. I've helped lots of people do even better than me. Much better than me. But that's what I'm giving you now. Your first exercise. Basically, post a short every day around 11 a.m. Okay? Short, every day, around 11 a.m. Do it for a month. You're going to get your first 50 subscribers. If you don't, you're not doing a good job. Make better shorts. With these shorts, you know what? I'm not even going to give you more than that. Post a short every day for a month. Come back. Let me know what happens. Just doing that will give you like an 80% chance at least that you're going to be at your first 50 subscribers. Once you get your first 50 subscribers, you're going to be able to start vertical live streaming. Now, different things work for different times. Before it was shorts, that was really like a sure way to grow. Now shorts are getting a bit older and they're not doing as well as they used to. They're still doing well, and that's why we're starting there. Later, I'm going to take you to your first 1,000 subscribers. I can get you to your first 1,000 subscribers super easily if you just do what I tell you to do. So subscribe, and I'll tell you what to do. But step 1, get to your first 50 subscribers. Now, if you're someone that wants help, like if you are a person that just like, I don't get it, it's hard for me to do it on my own, I need help, I offer help in 2 ways. I have my old course, which is still relevant, but it's basically years of what I learned put into 1 hour, where you can just have that video, watch it over and over and over again, and that comes with a 1 hour sit down with me where I'll talk to you and everything. But you take the course, you apply it for a month, and then I'll spend an hour with you talking about everything that we need to. Or $1,000, I work with you for a month, basically one-on-one. We go through your strategies, and I just help you jumpstart everything. From the $500 thing, you're getting basically all the information, but you're not getting that like one-on-one coaching. You want the one-on-one coaching, $1,000, okay? If that's too much, that's fine. Run away. It's all good. Complain about it in the comments. I've done this with lots of people. I haven't documented it enough though. So now here's the first guy that I've documented it. Watch this video. You'll learn a lot from that too. And I'm going to give you a ton of free education and stuff that will help you. But if you do want that one-on-one, it is available for you, and that's what I charge. Okay? Thank you.